Good day. Today I want to talk to you about something very important. I want to talk about the heart. As a matter of fact, if you will agree with me, there are certain health conditions that after diagnosis, usually you will know that this thing is the kind of health issue an individual has. It can be diabetes, it can be asthma, it can be cancer, it can be prostate disorder, it can be infection. Those reports you can get after your diagnosis. But there are certain health conditions, and one of them is the heart issues we want to talk about today. Usually, most people on the street don't know whether they have heart-related issues. And that's why you hear about that somebody suddenly developed stroke. They've not bothered to check whether they have any heart-related matter, whether they have any heart-related challenge. Usually, they find it difficult to sleep. Usually, at times they feel dizzy. Usually, they don't feel too well most times, but they ignore those kind of symptoms. They took those kind of symptoms for granted. And the challenge is that, they just walk around. They do get into activity, get into businesses as if it is normal and okay with them. As a matter of fact, you find out that occasionally they get to bed, even when they get home at night, they want to sleep, they hardly get some sleep. Okay? They go on eating anything they want to eat. Of course, as a man advances in age, it could be 40 years, it could be 50 years. So far as a man or a woman is advancing in age, lifestyle begins to change. Lifestyle about what you eat, about what you engage in, activities you get into begin to change because you're no longer as young as you were. Maybe when you are like 20 years old, when you are 15, when you are 30, when you are 28. At that time, of course, you are in your very perfect health and can get on to do anything you want to do. But as a man advances in age, between the ages of maybe even, I could say 40 years, even from 35 years, 40 years upwards, there are certain health challenges, especially if such a man or a woman is married, and there are certain confrontations of challenges, arrays and serious health challenges, life challenges. About having to take care of the family, about having to pay school fees, about having to sort out one thing or the other financially, about having to meet up with the demand of work. If they are not able to meet up those kind of challenges, it becomes a very serious problem. A lot of pressure come on them. But they don't find time to check themselves health-wise, especially their heart. That's why, and that's my emphasis today, because I'm talking about the fact that you need to check and take care of your heart. They say that hypertension is a silent killer. Why is it so? Most people, they don't sleep well. These are some of the symptoms or signs of hypertension or heart-related issues. You don't sleep well. At times you feel dizzy. When you stand, you cannot stand on your feet. When you engage in little activity, maybe exercise or maybe having to climb one or two staircases of a story building, you are tired and you are so weak, you need to check your heart. When you cannot stand for like 10 minutes at a particular point in time, maybe in a place where you wait for a vehicle, you're already feeling tired and you are panting, you need to check your heart. When you get home and after your meal you want to sleep, you cannot sleep well, you need to check your heart. These are some of the signs and symptoms that people ignore. Last year, I have about 2 of my friends who passed on. They were just between 40, 50 years. Okay? So, if an individual has a heart challenge like hypertension, or maybe the high blood pressure is going up, and is not checking, is not trying to find out, the risk is very terrible. The risk can cost such an individual his or her life. I had an individual who came to my office for a different health challenge some time ago. But when I checked his blood pressure, it was something very alarming. You can imagine the systolic, the one that is on top, was about 180. The one that's down is about 105. This is an average, something that should be between 120 or 130 over 80 over 90, depending on the age of an individual. But you have a good number of people today walking on the street, struggling to enter a bus, getting into one activity or the other, struggling for daily income or daily need without checking their blood pressure. When you check such blood pressure, it's also always at an alarming rate, at the point an individual can collapse and die at any point in time. Some of them already, they don't know, they've not done any diagnosis before. They've not tried to find out what the challenges is. But they have these symptoms and they carry it on over and everywhere. And the next thing is that they can collapse at any time and die. It's not supposed to be so. Now, there are others who are on certain high blood pressure drugs. If you feel that those drugs are not helping you, ask your doctor. There are things you can do. As a phytomedical person over the years, that there are certain herbs I know that are quite amazing. But when you talk about these things, it looks as if somebody wants to ask somebody to give you money. But you know, I am giving you this as like what I want to give to you today. You can go for yourself. There are certain herbs that can help you, that you can just infuse and make in form of tea, and you drink. Hyssop is one of them. Hortonberry, yarrow is one of them. If you take a scoop of that in a level teaspoon, if you can get, though these herbs are not really grown everywhere. You can find some in Europe, you can find some in Asia, you can find some in North America. You can visit any of these shops abroad, you can get them. But also here in Nigeria, if you go to standard shops, you can find out and get them. If you can't get them, you can call me. We can help you to get them. Just ensure that if you are having this kind of challenge and you're checking your blood pressure and it's not okay, or you're on a particular high blood pressure medication which is not helping you, you need to check, you need to do something about your health. Now, this is a very simple high blood pressure check machine. You can get anywhere, even in the pharmacy. With this, you can monitor your blood pressure from time to time and know how you are doing. This is very important that you check your heart. If somebody has cancer, he knows he has cancer. If somebody has fibroid, he has any other health challenges or arthritis, he knows that that's the challenge. He's taking care of himself. But if we don't know that you have high blood pressure, you can have stroke. You can survive it and you can have partial stroke and you may not survive. Or the person may even die at having that kind of stroke condition instantly. Now, I recommend to you today, you can call me, I am offering myself to help. If you are going through any of those challenges, ask for Horton, Hyssop, and Yarrow. We can help you to provide them. You just take them very easy from time to time, even in the evening or in the night. If you have a glass cup, you can have the powdered herbs in this format, like what I have here. Okay? Once you have it and you infuse it, you infuse the herb, the small herb in the cup, and you add little water. It can be, one water can help you to dissolve fast. Okay, like what I'm doing there. Onto like half a glass of it. Once you do that, you take, you take your time and finish it. Horton, Hyssop, and this other one, Yarrow, are recommended. Are very, very good herbal species that are grown in most parts of Europe. That we have access to them that can help you. So please, it's important you take note of this and live by it. Don't just go without taking care of your heart. Don't just live ignoring your heart. Don't just be on a particular thing that is not helping you. You need to do something. You can reach me today. You can call me. You can send me a message. Thank you as I have passed this message to you. God bless you all.